Hi, I'm going to tell you about how to retrieve your online application form. As you can see on the screen, you should have this information with you already. That means your online visa application form has been created by us. And if you do not have it, then speak to your counselor. Let's say you have this information, and I'm going to tell you how to retrieve your application and complete it. Remember, when we make this application, we put information that you have to review and submit it later. So let's go and see how to retrieve it. Paste the URL here, and you will see some menu at the left. Information is asking a transaction record number, which is your visa application number. You copy it and paste it or write it, whichever way it works for you. Then it say your passport number. You do that. Your nationality, India in this case, and your date of birth. So let me put it. Right, and then you hit the submit button. Now, you might see a different screen, but it means if you see back and close, that means there are other pages as well. Ideally, what I'll do is I'll go back. So I'll say this, okay, for now, I'm marking no, but remember you have to fill it later. So for now, we have retrieved the application. Now we want to review and submit the information. Then you see, when you see this screen, that's your first page for visa applications. You verify the information, then click on save and continue. Verify the information. If you have to change it, and click on save and continue. This is how you go and submit your information. Change it if you have to do. Continue, and there would be a page. I want you to stop and do nothing. So save and continue again. This is taking your information, your college and everything. Now this is the form. It is asking you by ticking the box, I hereby agree to all the above. Please do not tick and do not submit. This is where we end it and tell our staff that I have reviewed it and now we can go ahead and submit it. We will submit it with you, but we just want to make sure that every information is completed. Remember, once you by ticking the box, you click it and submit it, that means it's submitted. You can't change it. So sometime we create application, and let's say your visa appointment is after 10 days. We don't want to submit it now because as in when we are processing, creating documents or preparing documents now, some new information might come. So remember, this is the page. You have to stop and simply click on close. That's it. This is how you retrieve the visa application. I hope that helps. Thank you.